Welcome to a culinary journey that transcends the basic tastes of sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, unraveling the mystique of umami, the fifth basic taste, described as the savory heart of flavor. Discovered in the early 20th century by a Tokyo Imperial University professor, umami revolutionized the culinary world by adding a new dimension to our understanding of taste. Found in foods rich in glutamate like ripe tomatoes, aged cheeses, and fermented products, umami adds depth and satisfaction that dances on our taste buds. This segment opens the door to exploring umami's role not just on our plates, but in our perception of taste, serving as a bridge to understanding cultures and cuisines around the globe. Diving deeper into umami reveals glutamate, a simple amino acid with a complex impact, whispering tales of savory depths and rich flavors to our brain. It's a cornerstone in the symphony of taste, enhancing our culinary experiences by mingling flavors in profound ways. Glutamate occurs naturally in many foods, playing a crucial role in the taste of tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, mushrooms, and soy sauce, among others. These carriers of umami contribute to the tapestry of tastes that delight our tongues. Crossing the borders of Japanese and Italian cuisines, umami brings a universal appeal, guiding us beyond the basic tastes to where flavors reach their full potential. In this exploration, we highlight not just individual ingredients but the synergy between them, allowing glutamate to elevate dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Chefs worldwide harness the secret of umami to transform good dishes into unforgettable ones, adding depth and complexity. Imagine a dash of soy sauce on stir fry or parmesan on pasta, turning these dishes into vibrant, savory experiences. Culinary masters share their journeys of discovery, with umami emphasizing its transformative power. Incorporating umami into cooking is simpler than you might think. Start with ingredients like mushrooms, ripe tomatoes, or aged cheeses, and employ simple tips like adding miso paste to soup or marinating meats in Worcestershire sauce. As we conclude this savory exploration, remember, umami is not just a taste but a way to enhance your cooking, encouraging you to experiment and explore, creating memorable meals that linger long after the last bite.